There is another big mistake that almost every business owner makes. When most business owners start their business, they collect up whatever money that is available from savings, personal loans, or friends and family, and place that money directly into their business bank account and start spending. That same amount of money could have been placed with one of our member banks who would have issued a dollar-for-dollar business line of credit that reports to the business credit agencies. This one extra step puts your business on the radar of most other business lenders and credit providers who know how difficult it is to get approved for a bank business loan. There are many more common mistakes that business owners make in trying to obtain credit and finance their business. We have created a proven system that helps you avoid those mistakes, build strong business credit scores the fastest possible way, and obtain the financing for your business. Inside our system, you will have access to the largest collection of vendor credit lines, business lenders, and business credit cards that do not show up on your personal credit and report only to the 3 main business credit agencies.